Young talents are changing the face of the metalworking industry in Canada. It's time to share their story. Nominate a colleague, employee, customer, or supplier today for MP&P's 3rd annual Top 20 Under 40 Honors. Trevor Fandrick has been working hard since September of last year preparing for the WorldSkills competition in Brazil, where he will be competing in the CNC lathe competition. He's come a long way in that time learning Mastercam and becoming familiar with live tooling. He's done most of his preparation work on Haas machines at Northern Alberta Institute of Technology, but the competition will use ROMI machines, which he has been getting to know at ROMI facilities in Europe and the US. MP&P caught up with him during WMTS in Edmonton at the Machine Toolworks booth, a ROMI distributor, where we talked about what he's learned from skills and his experience on the ROMI machines.
I think it's a fantastic experience. There's no way I would have learned what I've learned in this short amount of time without it. You know, you get to see a whole bunch of different aspects of machining you wouldn't normally see, you know, from the different types of CAM software that you have access to and the live tooling and, you know, just different parts of machining. I got to go to Germany for machine familiarization, which was getting some time on the ROMI machine, getting used to the controller. Also a couple of trips down to Ottawa, Quebec for team building experiences, getting to know the people on Team Canada. You know, they say they become your family once you're down in Brazil competing. They're really the only people you have access to, so it's nice to get in contact with them, make some good friends on there and so that sort of stuff. Got to go to Kentucky too for some more time on a ROMI, you know, just trying to get as much experience as I can to be as familiar with it as I can when competition time comes. Skills really opened me up to live tooling machining. You know, you can understand how that works. Also, you know, how different inserts react to different kinds of material. You know, how you can push them to get required surface finishes or ideal machine parts. The control on it's a little different than I'm used to. The Finook control. It's a good control on it. The new version that I will be using at Worlds, it's got the 3D graphics on it, which is very nice. It's pretty user-friendly. It's easier to navigate through screens. The machine itself is very rigid. I've been very impressed with it. You know, especially I've been pushing it to see, you know, what kind of depth you can take with it, and you know, I've been impressed, especially the live tooling on it, the axial and the radial tooling on it. Machine's very well, you know, limited chatter or anything on it. You get nice clean surface finishes as well.
Mark Gannett has been coaching Trevor in his efforts, and he talked to us about their training progress.
The competition is timed. We are given a maximum amount of time to complete the competition within, and we understand that the world's leading countries will be in around the 3/4 of that time allotment. And so that's what we're aiming for. Right now we're less than the time allotment. We've got a little bit of work to do to get to that 3/4 worth of the time, but we've got a couple more months. We're excited about the access and the opportunity to train on a ROMI machine close to home now. That is a game changer for us, that we don't have to travel anymore. It's 5 or 6 blocks away from Trevor's working now, and it looks like they're willing to cooperate with us and let us use the machine and have access to it. That's going to be the difference for us, to be able to get to that, you know, 3/4 allotment in terms of our time commitment during competition.
MP&P wants to wish Trevor the best of luck in next month's competition.